giving us a wonderful training on team development. So what we heard from every one of our family members, one of the important thing is that everyone liked this program. So many of us were suggesting to continue it in future also. So what I feel is what we are earning from this, not only from the training session, sitting together and discussing itself, bringing some closeness and warmth in our relation. So that itself induces us to conduct this kind of program again and again, and for sure the development and training of our team will develop MedEsole also. So for sure we will think of new events and all in the same manner. What I like from this session today to be highlighted is when we do things with our heart. He was mentioning many times from our heart as a fun, or when we enjoy it, even we don't know what heavy job we have done. So for example, that times one page we were designing, everyone were very much enthusiastic and they were enjoying it. At the same thing, if we do it as a job, it will be such a difficult task. So whatever we are doing, we take it in a joyful manner. If we enjoy it, if we love what we do, for sure we can bring more results, and we will not feel the struggle what we are doing. Another matter what I was noticing is that when we respect others' beliefs, he was mentioning in one session, he was giving an example of cricket. See, if our customer, the one who we are communicating, we want to open a communication link. So what is the common subject which our customer wants, and we focus on that, and there is a space to talk a lot on that, and he is listening to you. So this kind of relations, to build relations using this kind of techniques in our future sales or service in both sector, it will help us to find a common point with our customer, and to build the relation from that, and to have more rapport with our customer, and it will give us more results in such relations. So anyway, we have another session tomorrow on sales. So our sales team will be here for tomorrow also. So we hope that this kind of sessions will help us, and we dream much higher than this. When Harish was pointing out that, see, the concept of United States, where they accommodate all kind of multicultural people, so that it brings much better results than a country like Japan, because they are limiting their culture to their own culture, and they are difficult to adapt other cultures. So like that, we are marketing many products like Hokoma, whatever products we are marketing. They are basically producing from one country, one company. They are thinking of the world. Why not we? Why we have to limit us for HMC or Qatar local market? We can also have our dream, our vision at a higher level than this MedEsole in 2030 where it should be, and all our team members to grow in such a way that maybe one of us will be lead each country. Why not? It is not just an imagination. If we really set our target in such a way, really set our vision in such a way, and really wholeheartedly work on that, we can achieve it. These people are achieving, that means we can also achieve. There is nothing rocket science in that. If they can achieve, we can achieve also. So let us have our based on the workshop and all, we will sit and explore again to shape our mission, goals, roles and responsibilities, and we will structureize more from the current scenario in MedEsole. We will structureize much more better than this, and let us work for much better organization and to be part of that, and let us grow together. As Harish rightly said in the goal setting, let us grow together, growth of all. This is our aim. Okay, thank you so much for such a wonderful day, and please guide us also in whatever way we can improve. Mr. Shyam, thank you all for participating in full herd, and we will continue such kind of programs again and again. Thank you so much.